underneath the roof, but hail was bouncing off.
A little piece of hail still on the roof.
I don't see it.
And a couple little chips left.
Little chips.
Yeah.
I don't see them. Wow. People were out walking too on the main street.
Did we ever have Ned Stevens come do the gutters?
No,
Rats.
that's why. Yeah, we got somebody that said that we're due.